When it comes to do-it-yourself lash extensions, these VYRILA lashes have something others don't. These lashes are lightweight, lighter than most, they are vegan, cruelty-free, and handmade. They come in 5 different lengths, so you can design different eyelash shapes that you want to play with. Each set of lashes is smaller, so you can really play with different lengths. I really love the way these look and feel. They look and feel like you went to a salon to get your lashes done. It is very easy to apply, and they can last if you want them to. They are also easy to remove. When I removed mine, it did not negatively impact my natural lashes at all. I just took some castor oil to remove the glue and I was back to normal. The only thing with these feather-light, beautiful lashes is that they do not come with the glue and sealant that you need to apply them. So make sure you already have that or purchase that before trying these out. They are beautiful and very easy to apply and remove. I truly love these VYRILA professional, luxury, do-it-yourself lash extensions.